Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a switch access device that I've built. It's called Metal Box Switch Access. It allows the user to use a phone if they're unable to use touchscreen. So basically this controller has 3 buttons: forward, backward and select. Let's see how it works for the iOS first. With the iOS, go to the Bluetooth settings and find the device, pair it. So then we go to accessibility, switch control, and then I'm going to remove the ones that were placed here. So we go to external. I press the right button, assign it to move to the next item, click the central button, assign it to select item, and then I click on the left button, assign it to previous. Now let's see how it actually going to work. We go, switch control is on, and now we can see that we can traverse and add something to the calendar, just to test how iOS handles this stuff for their internal apps. So I'm going to the keyboard, meet Alex is what I'm going to put. This is a bit speed up, so we don't have to wait so much. This is how you will basically test any app that you've got on the iOS, if it's usable for someone with a disability. Obviously keyboard is usable, but then there are also other parts of the app that may have problems with the traversal. Now let's see how we do this on Android. The same thing. We're going to set up a device and then use it to our Android. So we go to Bluetooth settings, pair a new device, check the metal box, pair it. Once it's paired, we go to accessibility, switch access. There's also a tutorial for Android here. The switch access is an app. It should be installed. If it's not there, go to Play Market, install it. Since I have it, I go straight to the assign switches for scanning. And the same, I'm going to remove the ones that I have here already. And then let's see how I assign them. Select is the central, next is the right one, and previous is the left one. Now that we have that, we can already use our Android with the switch access device. So I'm going to go back to home, select the calendar app, and then add a meeting. I'm going a bit faster so we don't have to wait, but just enough for you to understand the problem is that you have to go forward and back and traverse through the UI layer in order to add whatever you want to add. This device is mostly built for software developers who need to make sure that their app is aligned with the accessibility requirements that let people with disability use this app. They have other more expensive devices for that are, I guess, they're a little bit more appropriate for people with disability. Now let's go and see how we do this for people with Mac OS. So on Mac OS, we have the same Bluetooth setup. We connect it. Pair it. Now it's paired. The same thing. Go to accessibility and switch control. I'm going to remove the ones that I already have here. Auto scanning is very important. Remove it at once. I'm going to assign my device button. Central is select. Select. Then the right one is go to next, obviously. And the left one, since we don't have the go backwards on macOS, is going to get reset scanning. After we have that, we go enable switch access, and now we can see that on macOS it's a bit different. You don't really traverse through items. You're more likely to use the pointer. It's like a mouse, but this device is also available for doing that. So I'm going to go back to my chess game, and there are also other things you could do, like scroll up and down, use your keyboard with the same way we use it on. I'm not going to show the details, but I think you understand that this device allows to check for accessibility. Since I designed this device from the button, so the code and the board that's driving this device were designed by me, as well as the box, but I believe that the box could be better, maybe 3D printed. Maybe the buttons could be integrated into the PCB and also the lamps, so one wouldn't have to solder the wires. I'm open for propositions and options to collaborate and make this device more mass-produced. However, this one already works good enough, and I'm ready to sell it to anyone who desires to own it. Go to my store at themetalboxstore.org and just order this device with the online payment. I'll send it to you ASAP.